तेलंगाना अक़लियती अक़ामती जूनियर कॉलेज तांडूर कोड़ंगल के प्रिंसिपल मोहतरमा इफ़त जहानी इंटरमीडिएट के नताइज में तेलंगाना अक़लियती अक़ामती जूनियर कॉलेज के बेहतर नताइज पर मसरत का इजहार किया है। उन्होंने तमाम ग्रुप में ज़ेरे तालीम तलबा व तालिबात की जानिब से 92 ता 96% निशानात हासिल करने पर तलबा व तालिबात के सरपरस्तों को मुबारकबाद पेश करते हुए नेक तमन्नाओं का इजहार किया है। तलबा व तालिबात की कामयाबी पर सरपरस्तों की जानिब से असातिज़ा को भी मुबारकबाद पेश की गई और खुशी का इजहार किया गया।
Today we are glad that we have got very good result. The first year and the second year in MPC and YPC fared very well. And this all credit goes to our lecturers, our students, their hard work, their dedication and their continuous motivation from the teachers as well as from our secretary madam, and even the parents are very encouraging here. So I thank everyone for getting this kind of result, and we are hoping that this will continue for the coming years also. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. This is Hafsa Masira from Intermediate Second Year by BC from TMRJC Girls 1 Tandur. I got 940 out of 1000. I am very happy to share my experience with all of you. First of all, I want to thankful to our secretary ma'am, principal ma'am and our lecturers. They motivate in all of us in every time. Our hostel facilities are very good, food facilities also very good. No water problem, nothing. We are happy to study here. Our warden ma'am, our nurse ma'am, they all of us, our teachers, our principal ma'am, they all do every day night duties with us. So I am very happy to study here. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Miss Khan from Intermediate First Year by PC of Tandur Temris Girls 1. I got 434 out of 440 and I am very happy. This is because of my hard work and my dedication. But my teachers, lecturers and our beloved principal madam had also played a great role behind my success. And I am very thankful to our secretary, Masrat Khanum madam. Thank you.